You have a Jeep Wrangler, you want to get some more power, this might be a good way to go. This is the top end kit for a 4.0 or 4.6 Jeep Stroker, from anything from the late 80s to late 90s to early 2000 Jeeps, the roller rockers, and the matching valve cover set that goes with it. So I don't expect to have extraordinary amount of power, but anytime you can free up friction, which is what the roller rockers will do. So you have less heat, less friction will equal more power. I would say maybe somewhere in the vicinity of 20, 25 horsepower. You match that with, of course, a stroker engine, you're going to get a lot more to it. But these are direct bolt-on to a stock head or to aluminum head. And then you probably would want to go with these nice valve cover. So this valve cover is taller than the stock, has the baffles in there, and will clear the roller rockers. It comes with the hardware, comes with the baffles, and it comes with the gasket as well. So it's all available through tdmotion.com.